A strawberry chicken.
What? Look at mommy. What is that?
A strawberry chicken.
Why is it scary? What did the chicken do to you?
Doggy, doggy, biting.
It bit you? Yeah.
Beetle? Beetle,
What
a beetle. And the eyes.
What is that?
The bird.
What is that?
The bird.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What is that?
the bird. A duck.
That is a duck. Very good. What is that one?
Dog. A pig.
What sound does a pig make? What about that one?
A pig.
What's a cow?
That's a cow.
No,
What
what's a
sound
cow
does a cow
say?
make? What's a cow say?
A cow. Yeah, a
What,
cow.
what does a cow say?
Moo.
Yeah. What sound does that make? What sound does that one make? What's that say?
Sage.
What's the chicken say?
Pecan. Silas, do you like your book?
Yeah.
I like your book.
I look at book.
Okay.
What's that one?
The book. A farm.
A frog.
Park.
It's your buddy Navos. Look at that one. What is that one?
The pig.
What's a pig say?
The flower.
Yep. Silas, what color is the truck? What color is that truck?
The truck.
What color is it? Is it yellow or blue?
The truck.
Is it blue?
Do the beans.
That one has a load of beans. Or is he giving it the beans?
He's giving it the beans.
Yeah, he's stuck in the mud, so he's
Bean and beans.
giving it the beans, trying to get out of there. What's that one saying?
Pony.
Not a pony, no. Try again.
A pig.
No, not a pig.
A horse.
No, not a horse. This one's pretty easy. I think we know this one.
A cow.
It is a cow.
Yeah.
Good job. What's that one?
A farm.
Huh?
The bird.
It's a bird, yes.
The bird.
It's another bird, yes.
Farm.
Can you sing your song for mommy?
Joy, joy, joy. Die. Tuesday.
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 That's upside down.
Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah. Farm. Pig.
Silas, show mommy your nose. Where's your nose? Your nose.
No singing. Yeah.